afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my science class. Today, we are going to have a short discussion about the parts and functions of microscope. But before that, let us know what a microscope is. So, a microscope is a laboratory instrument that is used to observe small objects or things that cannot be seen by our naked eye. So let us now proceed with the parts and function of the microscope. Let us first discuss this part. So this is an eyepiece. An eyepiece is also known as an ocular lens. This one is detachable and it has a 12.5 magnification. So this eyepiece or ocular lens is used to peep through the microscope. The next portion is the coarse adjustment knob. So this one is the coarse adjustment knob. And the coarse adjustment knob is used for initial focusing. It makes a large movement so that the body tube can move up and down. The other knob, which is here, and it's smaller than the coarse adjustment knob, is the fine adjustment knob. So, it is used to sharp focus or to give you a detailed view of the specimen you are observing. So, this one is a fine adjustment knob, or also known as fine adjustment screw. This portion is the arm. This one is the arm, and it is used to support the body tube, and definitely you will use this portion to hold the entire microscope. The other part is this one. So this is an inclination joint. And it is used, or it is part of the microscope that helps it, or it is used to tilt the microscope. And next one is the base of the microscope. This is the base. It is a U-shape or a horseshoe shape that supports the weight of the entire microscope. The other part is the mirror. So here, if you will notice, this is the mirror of the microscope. And the function of the mirror is to collect light. It collects and bounces up light through the diaphragm up to the specimen and the lenses. This portion is the iris diaphragm. The iris diaphragm regulates the amount of light that passes through the stage or through the specimen. Other one is this one. This is the stage clip, and this is the slide of the microscope. The stage supports the slide, and the stage clip holds the slide in place on the stage. This portion is the revolving nosepiece, and obviously it revolves. You can move this if you want to use the objectives or other objectives. The objectives are of three types. There are three types of objectives here in my compound microscope. The HPO or the high power objective, the LPO or the low power objective, and the OIO, which is the oil immersion objective. Going back to the revolving nosepiece, the revolving nosepiece holds the objectives. And the last one is the body tube, and it supports the eyepiece and the revolving nosepiece. So these are the parts of the microscope.